Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that I got for the Monday night giveaway. I was up at the Blade Bar in Fort Worth and Fort Worth, Dallas Metroplex area. I was up there for my son's soccer and I decided to stop in and talk to the guys, and they had this really cool knife, and I thought this would be really cool to take a look at. Now this, I'm going to do an unboxing because it's something that we've seen before, but we haven't seen before, okay? So I figured it's worth an unboxing. This is going to be an Elementum in something we have seen before, right? We've seen an Elementum, stickers, all the good stuff in here, but this is a little different. So typical G10, typical flipper and all that good stuff, but let's take a look. Ooh, it's a Wharny. Check that out. A Wharny blade. Isn't that cool? I like that a lot. A nice flipper, beautiful, and it is a hollow grind. Hollow grind with a black coated blade on there. I think that's pretty neat. Absolutely reverse flick this. Nice flipper. I think this is kind of cool. I think this is definitely something cool. So what's different? You got the same lanyard area back here. You got a deep pocket carry clip. It's not reversible, right hand tip up only. It is a captive pivot, hollow grind. It's got thumb studs on there that work really nice, and you can actually put the little O-rings on there if you wanted to. It is a liner lock. Definitely could put some Skiff washers in there if you wanted to, but a beautiful hollow grind on that. And that, I mean, let me just make sure. Is that a Warren? They can call that a Wharncliffe? Yeah, I believe this is pretty much a Wharncliffe, right? So I do like that. I think that's pretty stinking cool, if you ask me. Yeah, very cool, very cool. I like that a lot. Nice flipper, beautiful G10. I always love how it's rounded all the way across, not heavy or anything like that. It's got some nice jimping up there. You got a little choker position here, so if you got large, extra large, double extra large hands, you can definitely choke up in that trigger area. Definitely can be up there and use that, and that allows it. Also great for pinch grip, and with that nice kind of, I guess technically this would be considered a sheep's foot, right? No, is it? It's a Wharncliffe. Sorry, it's a Wharncliffe because it's rounded, but it's got a point. So is it a modified, like reverse taunt? I don't know. It's got a swedge on top, which is cool. I love the hollow grind. The hollow grind is really nice. You can see that beautiful thin edge, nice and sharp. This is going to be a great little knife. Now, I've done the Elementum before, so it's not worth a whole review or anything like that, but I did want to talk about the knife a little bit. I like this. Now, OD green, I would have personally gotten a different color, but I figure it's nice, dead nut center. You can see that, really great. I would have gotten a different color for myself, but I thought this would make a great knife. It's different. It's got it's you know, it's that modified Wharncliffe reverse Tonto sheep's foot, whatever you want to call it, modified blade. I think it's pretty cool. Oh, by the way, I opened it up with my baby Civivi baby mentor in the unlock composite scales with a titanium mill clip. This is the S35VN blade steel. This is the Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive, so it's a little kind of a premium version. This right here is pretty cool as well. I mean, I think, now, if this was mine, and I'm going to leave it as it is because some people would really like a really strong D10. I would loosen this up because it's a little strong. It's definitely a little strong on the strong side here, but definitely pretty cool. Definitely pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's take a look at that beautiful hollow grind blade there. There's that blade, you see that? And there's the scales, the G10 with the lanyard loop. Now, if we reverse that, you'll see that it's a deep pocket carry clip. You're going to be pretty deep in the pocket, not prioritized over the lanyard loop. Nice texture on the G10, give you some good grip. It is rounded all the way around, so none of that sharp. And here's that hollow blade again, and there's that finger troll right there. It works really well. But look at that beautiful hollow grind. It's going to be a nice sharp tip. And look at that pointy tip there. Definitely for poking into some dog food, cat food, fertilizer, mulch, cases of water, you know, cat litter, whatever you need to. This is going to work well. And, you know, it's a nice on Skiff cage ceramic ball bearing, so that's pretty cool. All right, very cool little knife. So let's get a nice up close look at that. I think it's pretty stinking cool. I like that. Definitely, you know, it's a nice change. I think that's pretty stinking cool. So I think it's pretty nice, So when I went there and I was mentioning this to them, you know, they were gonna, they also gave me some stuff that this is gonna come with. So, you know, I got some stuff for future giveaways, right? This blade bar kind of lanyard loop, a wee knife set of cards, blade bar sticker, also some, you know, blade bar microfiber cloth. So, you know, that's the kind of stuff, you know, those guys were just pretty awesome to allow me to have some of that for the giveaways here. And just wanted to thank them and just give a shout out to the Blade Bar. Definitely want to go check them out. If you're in the Dallas area, definitely go shopping there. They have 2 locations. Definitely would recommend that. But do check them online as well. Really, really cool little place. Did I get a discount on this? Absolutely not. I paid full price. So, you know, there you go. I say that because I like the store. I like the store a lot. You know, and I like the people there. Very, very cool. So this will probably be part of some giveaway here coming up. You know, and I think that'll be pretty nice. All right, let me put it to the side. But, you know, definitely, again, checking this out. I like the calf to pivot. It's a T8 there. Looks like T8's there. Those are T6s right there. Again, it's nice and rounded. I do find it nice and grip. I like the texture out there. I like the choke position. It's definitely going to work really well. It's got a nice clicky detent. Let's do that again one more time. Ready? Nice clicky detent. That's pretty cool. Nice and dead centered. 2 standoffs in the back. Got a flipper, good amount of jimping that goes all the way around. So you can do the push button. You can do the light switch. Both work really, really well. The thumb studs work really well. And because there's a little bit of a cutout there, got middle finger bonus reverse flick. So this has got multiple deployments, right? And because it's a liner lock, excuse me, I can middle finger reverse flick with the left hand. The only bummer is I wish there was, let's see, is there, no, there's no holes for the clip to be on the other side. I mean, that is kind of a bummer, right? I would have loved to have seen that along, you know, the reverse flicking. I mean, it's such a nice little knife, liner lock. I mean, it's calling out for it. But, you know, I know a lot of lefties will carry this in their, maybe their left rear pocket. That way the blade side is in and they're still carrying the left-handed side. But still really nice. I enjoyed this. I mean, I'm not a lefty, but it's very easy to flick left-handed, right? So I like that a lot. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, I like this black coating. It's Cerakote PVD. I don't know what it is, but it's nice. And I like the action. Oh, let's check out, where's that detent ball? All right, so you clear it right there, which is pretty nice. It's a very low angle, right? You're cleared there. So once I get to there, I'm past the detent ball. Yeah, and if you tune this, you can get this to be kind of drop shutty. That would be nice. I would definitely tune it for myself. So I could use this a little bit better. It's pretty stiff. It's pretty stiff. Now, like I said, I'm leaving it alone because it's going to be a giveaway knife. And you guys may, you know, you may very well want to tune it and have it a little not as strong. I get that. I get that. And that is your call, right? So, all right, that is the Civivi Elementum with the Wharncliffe reverse Tanto modified sheep's foot, whatever you want to call it, right? I think it's more of sort of a modified Wharncliffe, right? That's what I'm going to call it. All right. Well, hey, I sure appreciate you guys, you know, especially everyone who's been part of this channel. So if you found this content fun, interesting, or worthwhile, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps the channel, allows the channel grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, who likes them. Man, I sure appreciate you guys. And if you haven't already, hit that notification button down here below as well so you can be notified of future content. And then also to all my channel members, a big, big, big thank you to you guys. I appreciate you, especially if you've been here from the beginning, just joined, or you were here somewhere along the middle. I appreciate you guys. You mean the world to me. I'm honored. I'm humbled by your membership. And I just want you to know it helps. It helps hugely. It allows the channel to do so many things. And I want you to know that. And I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all you guys out there. If you've been on the fence, you thought, hey, I'd like to become a channel member, check out the description down below. There's 3 different tiers. Love to have you. Don't feel obligated, but I would love to have you. And my way to say thank you, I do a once a month members giveaway. I try to make something nice for the giveaway. And also, if you just became a channel member, you've been a channel member for a while and you're still a member, but you haven't emailed me, along with the new members, email me with your name and address. That way I can mail you out a sticker. My way to say thank you to all the awesome channel members. So sure appreciate you guys. Thank you. And finally, if you haven't checked me out on Instagram, please do at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.